In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. Let's get started right now. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on wallet. You want to move your mouse to wallet in the top right and then click on fiat and spot. Okay, you want to click on fiat and spot, and the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click, like in the next page, you want to click on transfer, as you can see in the top right again. Now after, guys, you click on transfer, you want to select here fiat and spot, of course, and the second here, like where it says to, you want to select here funding. Okay, now after, guys, you select funding, you want to select here USDT. Okay, I'm going to do that right now. Yeah, after you select here USDT, as you can see, make sure you select USDT. Now after you do that, guys, the next thing you want to do, you want to enter the amount that you want to transfer, like that you want to withdraw to your Revolut. Now you want to select, for example, 200, and after, guys, you select the amount that you want to withdraw from your Binance to Revolut, you want to click on confirm. Okay, make sure you click on confirm. Now the next thing you want to do, guys, after you do this is you want to click, or after you click on confirm, you want to like move your mouse to your account in the top right again and click on security. Now, guys, after you click on security, you want to click on payments in the left, as you can see, payment. Click on that. And in the next page, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on add payment method. Okay, now after, guys, you click on payment method, you want to click on more. Now it will take you to this page where you can like select the payment method. You want to select here Revolut. Okay, so you want to select here Revolut, you want to search for Revolut. Now it will take you directly here to where you can enter your information. So enter here your Revolut tag. Okay, make sure, even if it says optional, it will help you a lot in this process. Now you just want to enter here your Revolut tag and here your phone number. Okay, and then you want to click on confirm. Okay, so after you enter this information, you want to click on confirm. Now the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to move your mouse to trade. In the top left, click trade. Okay, and then click on P2P. Okay, now the next thing, guys, what we want to do now is we want first you want to select sale. Okay, now after you select, guys, sale, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on fiat, where it says here fiat and spot. You want to, like, where it says here fiat, you want to select euro. Okay, I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to do that right again. Okay, you want to select euro. Okay, and then where it says here all payments, you want to select here Revolut. Okay, you want to search for Revolut and click on Revolut, and that's it. Yeah, after you do all this information, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to find someone who is going to like we can sell we can sell it to that person. Like you will find here a few different people, as you can see. Like make sure someone has like 99% completion. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Now, if we want to find someone who is going to accept the amount that we want to sell, so that you can withdraw the money to your Revolut. Now, these are the steps are very important to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. Okay, you want to find someone who has a lot of orders and completion. Okay, completion. Now you want to find someone who has high completion and a lot of orders. Okay, now this one has 494%, which is good completion. You want to click on sell USDT and you want to enter the amount that you want to sell. So for example, you click it because you want to sell 200. You want to find, if someone says here the minimum is 800, you want to find someone else who can do this for us. Okay, now let's just say that you want to sell 800. Okay, you want to enter here 800, and as you can see, you will receive, if you sell 900, you will receive 800 euro. So after you convert that euro, then you can then withdraw the money to Revolut. Okay, that's why we are doing this. Okay, now as you can see, it says here 800 euro. I will receive that. You want to click on sell USDT. Okay, now after, guys, you click on sell USDT to someone here, then you can withdraw the money to your Revolut on your Binance account. It's very easy. Just go to your settings and you can withdraw the money to your Revolut. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can withdraw money to Revolut. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys next video.